ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಎಂ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅರ್ಜಿ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಮಯಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರ ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ವಾದವನ್ನ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ದೂರನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಕ್ಷಿದಾರರು. ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ವಾದ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಡಾದಿಂದ ಸೈಟ್ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನ ಚಾಚೂ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ಹೊರಡಿಸಿದೆ. ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ರಿಲೀಫ್ನ ನಂತರ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಎಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ವಾದವನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಎಂ ಪತ್ನಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಅವರು ಸೈಟ್ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರೋದೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಸೂಚನೆ ನೀಡಿರೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಎಂ ಪತ್ನಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಸೈಟ್ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ರೀತಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಮಂಜೂರಾದಂತಹ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್.
And subsequent reply of Sri Siddaramaiah and the advice of the state cabinet along with the legal opinion, it seems to me that there are two versions in relation to the same set of facts. Therefore, my lord, I pause for a moment here to say, the governor, my lord, has said, look, there is one thing that is being said by one set of people. There is another thing that has been said by another. Here is the cabinet which says nothing is wrong. Here is somebody else who says something is wrong. There are two versions. Therefore, I will get it inquired into. And it is very necessary that a neutral, objective and non-partisan investigation should be conducted. I am prima facie satisfied that the allegations and the supporting materials disclose commission of the offense. So therefore, my lord, this much of application of mind, in my respectful submission, is more than ample. Anything more, there would have been, my lord, an allegation that the
You're
government
reading
has...
the order.
My lord?
You're reading the order.
Yes.
The learned Solicitor General has produced the entire file.
No, my lord. I know, I'm aware of that.
So there is more than
More
notice
than
there.
that. I'm not going into that, my lord. Your lordships are going to look at it. My learned friends are going to...
The submission of not even a semblance traveled to abundance after the original file was placed.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And I would say, my lord, the original file discloses much more than what the order discloses. Even on the order, it cannot be said that there is non-application of mind. In fact, if anything more had been said in the order, my lord. Now, my lord, lot of material is there available in the file. Whatever is available, my lord, your lordships are
We'll
going to get
consider,
it.
yes.
I'm not going to comment on that. Now, take the order on the face of it.
It does bear application of
It
mind.
does bear application of mind, because if anything more had been said in the order, allegation would have been that you have made up your mind on one way or the other.
He is not
No, no.
authority to make up the mind.
Allegation. I am underlying the word allegation. Is that you would have done it. My lord, you do, you are damned. You don't, you are damned. My lord, this is a very thin line to be drawn. Where is consideration? Where is non-consideration? Now, my lord, this is what I wanted to point out. Now, my lord, what was told to your lordship was, how is it that the petition that has been filed, my lord, we produced for your lordship's consideration the petition that we had filed with the governor of 31/7/2024.
Yes, you told. A
I produced-
memo
Yes,
jate kotte.
exactly. And I'm sure, my lord, your lordships will look at the records to find out as to whether it is there or not, because insinuations were made.
Which file? Which file it is not there? You've seen. All right.
Sir, is it there or not?
I will also see.
The reference to it, it makes a reference to it, we also not.
We have I have had no access, but
Yes. Yes.
anyway, your lordships will look at it, my lord, whether what I say or what he
The
says.
file is given to me.
Your lordships look at it, my lord. Now, my lord, the allegations in the 31/7/2024 communication is identical to the allegation that have been made in the complaint of Mr. T.J. Abraham. Now, my lord, in a situation of this kind, what was told to your lordship?
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ ಲೈವ್ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ಅವರ ವಾದ. ಯಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದೂರಿದೆಯೋ ಅವರೇ ತನಿಖೆಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸೋದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವಾದ, ಅದರ ಅಂಶ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ, ಸಂಪುಟ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕೋನಗಳಿರುವುದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿವೇಚನೆ ಏನ್ ಬಳಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕೋನಗಳಿರೋದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಳಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಳಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ವಾಗ್ರಹ ಅಂತ ವಾದಿಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಜಿ ರಾಘವನ್ ವಾದ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
SCR.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ 760.
Now they have done it.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೇ.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Right from 50 it is.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
Earlier from 50 to 69 it was SCR. Now it is.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ 762 in volume 2. Well, kindly turn to paragraph number 11 and para 12. My lord, we are not, in the instant case, my lord, we are not concerned with either direction or sanction. We are only concerned with approval.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see para 11. In both the cases of sanction and direction, an application of mind is necessary. But there is an essential difference that in the one case, there is a legal impediment to the prosecution if there be no sanction. And in other case, there is a positive order that the prosecution should be launched. For a sanction, all that is necessary for the one to be satisfied about is the existence of a prima facie case. In the case of direction, a further element that the accused deserves to be prosecuted is involved. Therefore, my lord, direction is at a higher pedestal, then your lordships have sanction, and then your lordships have the concept of approval.
Last 4 lines of that paragraph.
Yes, my lord. Whether sanction should be granted or not may conceivably depend upon consideration extraneous to the merits of the case. But where the prosecution is directed, it means that the authority who gives the direction is satisfied in his own mind that the case must be initiated. Sanction is in the nature of a permission, while a direction is in the nature of a command.
So
now, my lord, where does this come? This is neither a sanction, neither a direction, it is an approval.
Because
It is at the bottom of the pyramid. So therefore, if direction requires something more, it requires the highest element of application of mind, and then your lordships have the sanction and then approval. So, my lord, if we look at it that way, then, my lord, the standard required for the purpose of 17A is much less in rigor than for a sanction under 19. Now, my lord, please see para 12. Let us now examine some of the decisions on the subject. For the appellant, strong reliance was placed on the judgment of the Privy Council in so and so, and it was argued that on the basis of some of the observations of the Judicial Committee that a sanction was an important and substantial matter and not a mere formality. The facts in that case were that while there was a sanction of the government for prosecution under the Cotton, Cloth and Yarn Control Order, there was nothing in the sanction itself or in the shape of extraneous evidence to show that sanction was accorded after the relevant facts were placed before the sanctioning authority. To quote the lordship's own words, there is no evidence to show that the report of the sub-inspector to the district superintendent of police, etc. I'm going to skip that. Prosecution was in a position either to produce.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.